everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jasmine, for those that don't know me, and for those that do, welcome back. Today I am back with this green box. If you don't know what this means, actually it was upside down. If you don't know what this means, this is Samplesource. I love free items, like Kanye said, and I feel like I say this in every video that I get free stuff. The best things in life are free. So Samplesource, just to give you a little bit of a background, I'm really excited about this. It is a sample package that you can get 2 times a year. So they do a spring and they do a fall one. And the spring one, of course, was a few weeks ago, and I'm just receiving it now. Lots of great things are in here. It is for Canada and US. I don't think they're anywhere else in the world, but I always just love to unbox these things with you to show you the cool things that are in here and really make sure that you can take advantage next time there is a Samplesource. Let's jump right in because this one is jam-packed. My one last year I actually wasn't that pumped about, but this one I feel like is a good one if I can remember everything. I actually pulled over. I was like driving and I pulled over as soon as I saw that it was announced. I got a notification, and because I wanted the best samples. The first thing I got, ooh, these are really good. So it's from Nescafe and it's their toffee nut and their cappuccino. These are like coffee lattes. I've actually had them. They're really good. I've bought them. And then there's some in Gold Columbia, which I think is really good if I ever don't have a K-cup. And then they gave a coupon too, so that is amazing. 1 out of 1, impressed. The next thing, another good item, is from Tazo. I feel like I didn't pick this flavor because it doesn't sound like me, but it's a sample of the Awake English Breakfast. Yeah, that actually, I can't believe I picked this, to be honest. I feel like I would have picked the mint one, but then there's $1 off of Tazo teas. I love their passion hibiscus tea, so I'll use the sample for that, but it's been cold and I do like my tea, I'm not gonna lie. The next thing, pumped about this because I love this. This is from Tetley Cold Infusions. I lived off of these last summer. You basically just put them in your water bottle and it makes almost like well, it makes like a cold tea, and it's so good. I love the hibiscus one. The lime one was okay, and the strawberry watermelon wasn't, I don't know. I didn't like those two as much as the other one. And then there's $1 coupon too. I will definitely use those. I really like them too for just when I'm sitting outside, but also too when I go to the beach. I like even brought them to the beach last year. This is so cute. It's a little tiny chocolate bar, so milk chocolate, raisins, and hazelnut. That actually sounds gross now that I think about it. Like, I like hazelnut, but raisins, I'll still eat this because, you know, I love chocolate. But that combo is not actually the most, like, appealing sounding. And then there's this little tiny thing of Jif creamy peanut butter. It totally reminds me of restaurants. Ooh, I feel another chocolate. I got this one. It's Blueberries and Almond. These little samples are so cute. I actually wish they were bigger, though. I'm not going to lie. Next thing. Okay, I'm probably going to have to give this actually away because my dog is like the size of this. But it is the Prime Bones Chew Stick with wild venison. I could vomit as I'm vegetarian, but I will give this away to a bigger dog that is within my family. Bentley would definitely, he's like smaller than that. Then I got these. It's like a mixture, actually, of, like, I think it's like Tylenol and ibuprofen. I don't remember knowing I was going to get these. You do get 6 tablets, but should be interesting. I'm not one for actual, like, painkillers or taking medicine, but it will definitely be used. And then the cat is going to be so happy. It is this Fancy Feast Petites grilled chicken entree with rice. The cat is going to be eating good with this. They get, like, he gets so happy when he gets one of these. I never buy them. I'm cheap. Lots of coupons here. So buy one, 2 buy one, or 3 buy one, get one free of these. Of the chocolate bars, I should say. You probably couldn't see. $1 off of those Tylenol, Advil kind of things. The Fancy Feast, there is a coupon for, oh, buy one, get one. I don't know if I'll use those, maybe. There is a coupon for a free Campbell's concentrated broth. So they have beef, chicken, or vegetable. I will definitely utilize the vegetable. I do love me a good soup. I make soup quite a bit. There is a free coupon for these new delicious real fruit refreshments. These look so good. There's strawberry fruit bars, mango fruit bars, mixed berries, and peach ice pops, banana dipped creamy bars, and berries and cream creamy bars. I actually think I'll either get the banana or the berries and cream. They sound really good. This is intriguing. There is a coupon for a free oat beverage margarine. I've never tried that, but I think that's something that will probably become part of my diet. That's cool. And then 50 cents off a Jif peanut butter and a free box of Cheez-It crackers. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of like cheesy crackers, but somebody in my family will eat them. I don't know. Maybe I'll try like the sharp white cheddar ones. I might like that. Ooh, and I'm really excited about this. There is a 1 protein bar and birthday cake. It should be really good. I feel like I don't get enough protein and I work out quite a bit, so I feel like it takes longer sometimes. Like my body feels sore because of that. A little Batiste dry shampoo. I feel like I have a stockpile of these because of Samplesource. But last year I did get the foam, so. The next thing is a free coupon for gnocchi. I love actually this gnocchi. It's so good. I think I just like the cheese one or the classic. I tried the tomato mozzarella one and I really didn't like that one. But I do like just an original gnocchi tossed with like a little bit of like balsamic dressing or pesto. One of my favorites. And then there's just like a little information sheet about that. There's $2 off those big bones, which we will not be probably ever using. There is a little blurb about Batiste. Ooh, I've been wanting to try these. These are those new Pop-Tart bars. I kind of like I like this flavor of Pop-Tarts. I'm really like picky, but I think these look kind of good. I do have like a day full of meetings tomorrow, so maybe that will be my snack in between my meetings. And then I got Sensodyne Toothpaste. I really do like this. I feel like I'll bring it for traveling, or I have just been using it when I run out of regular toothpaste. I do kind of have sensitive gums, so it works all well. But that was everything that was in the spring 2021 Samplesource. Let me know if you got it and what your favorite sample is, or what do you think looks really intriguing. I think it was a really good Samplesource. Last time, I don't even think I did a video, but I was pretty disappointed. So this quarter, or like, I guess this one, biannual one, did a really good job of providing some really good, interesting products that are new. And I think I'll try again if I like them, of course. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell your friends about my channel, subscribe. I am now on TikTok at JazzyFizz14, so check me out there. I thank you all so much for your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.